Hello, friends. Welcome to our English podcast. Today we learn to talk about jobs. Talking about your job is very important. People ask about work all the time. You need good English words for your job. This helps you talk with people. Are you ready to learn? Great. Let us start talking about jobs in English. If you like this podcast, please comment below. Tell us what you think about it. Also, subscribe to our channel. We make new English lessons every week for you. People ask, what do you do? This means what is your job or work. You can say, I am a teacher or I work as a nurse clearly. Where do you work? Means what company or place you work at every day. Say, I work at a hospital or I work for ABC Company to answer. Your job title is your work name. Say, I am a plus your job title. I am a doctor. I am a driver. I am a cook. Keep it simple. If your job is hard to say, use easy words. I help sick people. Practice saying your job title clearly. People ask this question a lot in conversations. After job title, people want to know what you do at work every day. Say, I teach children or I fix cars or I serve food to people. Use simple action words. I help, I make, I sell, I write, I clean. Keep it short and clear. Do not use big words that people do not understand. Tell people where you work. I work in an office or I work outside. I work at a school. I work in a restaurant. I work at home. Some people work in many places. Say I work in different places every day. If you work from home, say I work from home or I work online. People ask about your work hours. I work from 9 to 5 every day. I work part-time means not full day. I work full-time means all day. I work nights or I work weekends tells when you work during the week. I have flexible hours means you can choose when to work each day. My boss is nice or my boss helps me tells about your boss. I report to my manager means your boss tells you what to do. If you are the boss, say I am the manager or I run the company. I work alone means you do not have a boss watching you work. I work with 5 people tells how many people work with you together. My coworkers are friendly, or my team helps each other describes your work friends. I work alone means no other people work with you in your job. We have meetings means you talk with coworkers about work things together regularly. I have worked here for 2 years tells how long at your job. I started last month means you are new at this job or workplace. I have been here since 2020 inches gives the exact year you started working. This is my first job means you never worked anywhere else before now. I like helping people tells what makes you happy about your job. My job is interesting. Or my work is fun shows you enjoy it. I learn new things every day means your job teaches you stuff. The people are nice means you like working with your coworkers and boss. My job is hard sometimes means your work can be difficult to do. I work long hours means you work many hours each day at work. The work is stressful means your job makes you worried or tired sometimes. I have too much work means you have more work than you can finish. I am good at computers tells what you do well at your job. I speak 3 languages shows special skills you have for work purposes. I work well with people means you are good at talking with others. I am learning new skills means you are getting better at your job. Most people do not talk about money at work. This is private information. If someone asks, you can say, I make enough money or the pay is okay. I get paid every 2 weeks tells when you get your money. I want a raise means you want more money for your work. I want to get promoted means you want a better job position. I plan to change jobs soon means you want to work somewhere else. I want to learn more skills shows you want to get better. I hope to become a manager tells your future work dreams and plans. Ask, what do you do for work? To learn about someone's job. Do you like your job? Asks if they are happy with their work. How long have you worked there? Asks about time at their job. What is your job like? Asks them to describe their work to you. I am looking for a job means you want to find new work. I have an interview tomorrow means you will talk to possible new boss. I hope to get the job means you want them to hire you. They will call me next week means they will tell you their decision. I quit my job means you stopped working at your old workplace. I got fired means your boss told you to stop working there. I found a new job means you will start working somewhere else soon. I am between jobs means you do not work anywhere right now. Many people work from home now. Say I work remotely or I telecommute. I have video meetings means you see coworkers on computer screen. I work in my pajamas is a funny way to talk about home. I save time on driving means no travel to office every day. I work in retail means you work in stores selling things to people. I work in healthcare means you help sick people get better every day. I work in education means you teach or help students learn new things. I work in technology means you work with computers and internet things daily. I do not work weekends means Saturday and Sunday are free days. I get 2 weeks vacation means free time away from work each year. I work weekends but not Monday means your free days are different. I take sick days when ill means you stay home when not feeling well. Now you know how to talk about your job in English. Practice these words. Use these phrases when people ask about your work. They will understand you better. Remember to ask others about their jobs too. This makes good conversation with people. If you like this lesson, please leave a comment. Tell us your job too. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We help you learn English every week. Thank you for listening today. Practice talking about your job now. See you next time!